To activate and use glide typing for Motorola Moto G86 5G, first of all we'll need to open a settings on our device, scroll all the way down and find System. Click on it, move to the keyboard, on-screen keyboard and to Gboard. Inside you can find glide typing. Make sure that this option is active, otherwise it won't work. So now we need to open our keyboard in any possible way, and to use it all you have to do is hold your finger while typing, but do not hold it for too long on specific key, otherwise it will stop. So we're gonna try to say something like let's say cabbage. So it should go like this. Sorry. It actually wrote Charlemagne, but whatever. The key point is that you need to get used to that and train it until you actually manage to take out some words with glide typing. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.